preamble of Lahore Development Authority, or it is expedient in the public interest to establish a comprehensive system of metropolitan planning and development in order to improve the quality of life in the area of Lahore Division, establish an integrated metropolitan and regional development approach, and a continuing process of planning and development to ensure optimum utilization of resources, economical and effective utilization of land, and to evolve policies and programs relating to the improvement of the environment of housing, industrial development, traffic, transportation, health, education, water supply, sewerage, drainage, solid waste disposal, and matters connected therewith and incidental thereto. Full stop. The authority may appoint such officers, advisors, experts, consultants, and employees as it considers necessary for the efficient performance of its functions on such terms and conditions as it may deem fit. Full stop. Notwithstanding anything contained in section 11 or any rules or regulations made or orders or instructions issued thereunder or contained in the terms and conditions of service of any person employed or serving under the authority or an agency, the authority may at any time retire or remove from such service any person after informing him in writing of the grounds on which such action is proposed to be taken, and giving him an opportunity of showing cause in writing against the action within a period of 14 days. Full stop. Any person employed by or serving under the authority or an agency charged with the administration of the affairs of the authority or an agency, or acting on behalf of the authority or an agency, or acting under a contract with the authority or an agency who is responsible for the loss, waste, misappropriation or misapplication of any money or property belonging to the authority or an agency, which is a direct consequence of his intelligence or misconduct in the discharge of his duties, shall be liable to pay the loss suffered by the authority or an agency on the same, being determined by the authority after giving the person concerned a reasonable opportunity of being heard. Full stop. The authority may constitute such financial, technical and advisory committees as may be deemed